Kpangnan butter is used in hair care and skincare. Now, because it's not an oily butter, it's actually a nice addition to formulas.
The fatty acid profile for Kpangnan butter shows the butter is high in oleic acid. Oleic acid is thought to help prevent dry scalp and support length retention.
It sort of resembles cocoa butter, but it's yellower and not quite as hard. For hair care, it doesn't leave an overly greasy residue behind. It helps lock in moisture. For those who like mango or kupuasu butter, you can use either of those instead, but try the Kpangnan butter to see if you like it.
Kpangnan butter is extracted from the seeds of the Pentadesma Bitiraceae tree. It leaves a soft, powdery feel on the skin